Yo, what's up boys, Razor here, welcome to new video on my channel. Today I recording Keydrop, I got 1k on my balance. Before I start, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and don't forget to follow me on my Kick for daily giveaways, daily live streams and more. Also don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, don't forget to like and comment this video. Alright, before I start, let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate on Keydrop for best bonus. You just need to connect your Steam account. Click add fonts in top right corner, in a promo code box enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents. Also you can click on promotional code in top left corner, in a promo code box enter my promo code and just click collect. Alright, today I will start with case battles guys on Keydrop. I will try to make huge profit from 1k to 2k maybe or 3k, I don't know, we'll see. Alright, I joined this one. Nine AK cases guys. Let's see, we need one good hit, one good drop. Alright, red line field tested AK $20. That's not bad. This one not bad. This one case battle is $35, so we need more. 3 players only. Alright, this one got Neon Revolution. Drop one more, one good hit. Maybe a Simov AK or Fire Serpent probably. Come on, 2 more cases left guys. At least that's not bad profit if I win this one. Alright, he lead now. $43. Last one. Man. That's GG. Unlucky, $112. Alright, this one is $22. Only agent cases, 9 of them. Let's see, can we hit one good agent? First one, so bad. 8 more cases left guys. We need one $15 agent skin. Drop one trapper, maybe agent, please. Only one. Okay, this one. $5 this one. That's so bad, man. So bad. 3 more cases left, guys. Holy shit, man, $10. Okay, last one. Last one. And GG. One more GG. That's a bad start on Keydrop. Alright, I will try my own case battle with new cases. Let's try with Diplo. 6 of them, $78. We need only one player to join. Alright, nobody joined yet. Let's try with bot. First time I do case battle with this one case Diplo, so wish me luck here guys. Come on. Only bullshit skins, please man, it's $78 this one case battle. We need one huge. $3 and for really man. Okay, last one case, we need one knife maybe. And yeah, GG. That's not profit. Okay, I'll try with this one case battle, $160 new knives case. I'll try with bot PvP. So let's try my luck on this one. Imagine one good hit and yeah, I lose this one. Only $6 and lose, GG. Okay, let's try with case opening, $300. Only knives. And okay, only bullshit knives. Let's try it. One more $150. Stop on autotronic, please. Man. Alright, let's try with upgrade now. 2x here. I'll try this one, Bowie knife slaughter. Okay, it's GG. One more 2x. This one AVP. Stop it, man. So close. Alright, last one case battle, $225. 6 cases. 5 YouTuber cases and 1 knife case. For huge win. We need comeback here. Comeback is real, guys. Please draw one good hit. Come on, only trigger disciplined eagle. Drop one fire serpent maybe. Okay, so bad start. Unknown case. Same unknown, same bullshit skins only. Alright, let's try with last case. New knives. We need one huge knife. And it's GG. I'll try all in 2x here. Okay, looks good. Alright, $500. That's nice hit. Okay, Bionic Doppler 60%. And comeback is real, guys. $773. Okay. If you're looking for free golds, guys, on Keydrop, let's click free gold section, scroll down, and you can find steps how to claim it. Easy steps. I got 20k on my balance, so I'll try open one case. I'll try with this one. Alright, unlucky. Also, you can join on free case battles on Keydrop. You just need to find green icon free and just click join the battle. So that's it. Not bad today on Keydrop. $800 Bayonet. Nice comeback. So if you're looking for best promo code, let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Just click add found in top right corner in a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.